In this video, I'll show you how to install typical movie app in iPhone and Android. Firstly, open your App Store or Google Play Store and search for typical movie or just typical. Just note that you likely won't see the app. This is a known issue. It's hidden or filtered out by default. The App Store may block or suppress the app for regular search. So search in typical usually shows unrelated apps, not the one you want. That's why it's considered a hidden app. To access the real app, type this into your browser. typicalscilicity.it and hit enter. It should redirect you to the apps page. Now, once on your app page, download the app directly for Android, for APK, and iPhone. It may redirect you to install via test flight or Safari prompt. Now, after downloading, open the typical app from your app drawer or home screen. You'll now have access to the app